let's look at Bower. Bower is used for client-side dependencies. I'm going to delete the Bower components folder. So let's have a look here. Bower components. Let's try delete on that. Okay, gone. And now if we do Bower install, I'll maybe move this over here, and let's see what happens. Keep your eye over here. Okay, it's installing all these dependencies into the Bower components folder, and we can look inside each of these front-end dependencies. We find that each of those has a bower.json, and each of these bower.json files has a main JS file, and this is what will be injected into our HTML by the Bower grunt task. And so this tells us which version of each file is installed. If we look at our bower.json file down here, this is the bower.json for our project, telling us what our project depends on. And so you can see that we've got jQuery in there, we've got Angular, Angular resource, cookies, and Angular. We've got some dev dependencies as well, which are only used for testing, so these wouldn't get minified and shipped along with our code. So Angular mocks Angular scenario. Let's try adding a dependency to our project, and Moment.js is quite a handy utility for using dates in JavaScript. And so let's try that. Bower install Moment.js. Now this is going to install it into you see that coming in there into Bower components. However, it's not put it in our bower.json file. If we want it to go into our bower.json file, we need to do install moment.js -- and save. And that tells Bower to put it in the dependencies section. And similar to npm, if we did an install, hang on, just click here to refresh it, and you can see that Moment.js has gone into the Bower install. And if we built our project now, then Grunt would put it into our index.js, and we could use it within our project. Similar to npm, you can use --save -dev, and that would add a dev dependency, and that can be useful for a dependency which you only use in testing. And maybe when we look at Karma, you'll see some of the things that we might put in there.